Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and got some more fragrances to check out, or maybe one, or maybe two. I don't know how many it is. Let's check them out. All right, so let's check it out. Let's see what it is and see how things are going. How y'all been out there? Doing all right? Let me put this down because last time I heard the paper was so loud. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's just one fragrance. It is this one, the Maharjan, maybe. Yeah, I've seen this fragrance before, and I've seen some people talk about it, and I've kind of gotten like mixed reviews. It just has a. It's just taped here, so I'm just pulling this loose. There we go. So I don't know. I'm not sure how it's supposed to smell. But it was enough for me to intrigue me. And I've seen these little fragrance bottles before. Yeah, just nice little small little. It's a 20 milliliter bottle. I think I have a couple of fragrances in this these little small little curry, and these are pretty cool to carry too because they're plastic. You know, you might not want to keep them super long because it's plastic, it's not glass. So after a while, the plastic could kind of mess up the scent. But needless to say, let's see what this smells like. Let's see. Just grab one of these strips. And oh, it sprayed automatically. I mean, somebody probably sprayed it. It feels kind of oh. Okay. This smells like Creed's Silver Mountain Water. I'm not sure if it's a 1-to-1, but just from that spray, let me put it on the hand. It smells different. Oh man, off my skin, it smells different. No, on my skin, that's not good. It smells like something green, like an old green plant or something that's dying. Okay, it's starting to change a little bit. Like some lemon is coming out. Some of the freshness is coming out, but it's changing. But that initial spray, maybe because it's, like I said, in this plastic container, or maybe because of the first spray, but that first spray was not good. But it doesn't smell the same. It smells completely different on this paper. Yeah, this paper smells like Silver Mountain Water. But this doesn't smell like that. This smells, and now it's turning green again. I might have dodged the bullet with this one. I kind of wanted to, I was thinking about getting a full bottle of it, but no. It's changing a little bit. It's like I'm getting that, you know how Silver Mountain Water has that mineral note, like kind of like off of rocks or something. I'm kind of getting that a little bit, but it's not that. It's like an inky vibe, but it's not the. It smells lemony, but it's not that freshness. It doesn't have that watery kind of vibe to it. This is weird. Mmm, it's weird. Let me wear this for a little bit, and I'll come back and I'll chop it up with you. Let me think about it. All right, so I'm back. It's been a little while. I've let it dry down, and it's this fragrance is I'm kind of on the edge with it. It does. It reminds me of Silver Mountain Water, but it's not really the same. It has this furriness feel to it that's kind of tickles your nose a little bit in the background. I'm not sure. It's not a clone, but it's okay. I'm not sure. I definitely probably not going to get the full bottle because I'm not crazy about it. But the fragrance is oh shoot, it is Maharjan Silver, and it's by Lattafa. The notes are top notes are mandarin orange, bergamot, and then the middle notes are iris, jasmine, and then in the base notes we have musk, vetiver, and birch. None of those notes are what I'm really picking up on. That fur vibe that I'm getting is, I'm not sure what it's coming from. It's kind of like a fur blanket, but not in a nice way. Like something that's just tickling your nose. It's something, but it does have that freshness in the lemon, and it feels like it probably will project pretty good. I'm not sure, but I don't know. I'm on the fence with it. I'm not sure if I like it or not. I'm gonna probably give it a full wear. One day when it's warm, it may work pretty good on a warm day. But for right now, it's just I ain't crazy about it. So yeah, that is my what is this thing? Maharjan Silver. They have another one that's the Maharjan Gold. I think I might try that one because I think that one's supposed to have some caramel or something in it. So I might try that one a little bit later. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for hanging out with me, doing this little unboxing. Yeah, it's kind of a miss on this one. Maybe I'm gonna give it another chance. But thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this one fragrance that I just got and just opened. All right, till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.